everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. We're on a bit of a roll here, we're getting 2 in a row. Hope you're all doing fierce well. My name is Mirthala Carrick. If you're new to this channel, hi, how are you? And welcome to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. On my channel we do a bit of everything. We have Cash Stuffing Sunday, Welly Wednesday, Makeup Monday and Vlog on Friday. So if any of that is any of your sort of thing, you're more than welcome to come in and join us here. It's a very friendly bunch altogether. So let's go with today's cash stuffing. Right, so let me see, which is that one was the one from last week and that one got done. And this is the one for this week and this one's about to get done. Okay, right, let's go. Let's make sure we have 300 smackerinos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Yay! We have enough to keep us going. Okay, right, so let us go. What is up to Daisy? Sorry. Let's see what the first one is, and we go to the pink binder is where we always start because that's where all the money goes, and we have 50 quid for food. That's standard procedure. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 10 is 50. And I think there's a monkey behind me. There's Saoirse. Right, hold on now. And let me see, council tax. Oh. Alright, this one is council tax and this one is also getting a 50, so
I love you.
Good girl. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 10 is 50. But I see that we have a few tenors in here, so I'm going to take this one out.
Tenors?
What
tenors?
Tenors is some money, honey.
Money, honey?
Oh guys, before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. Yeah, here's me welcoming everybody and forgetting.
Like and subscribe your vlogs.
Sorry about that. So where was I? So I have the council tax done, I have the food done. The next is childcare, and that one is also getting 50 smackerinos. So we're going to take that tenner out and I'm going to put in a 60 because it kind of makes more sense to do that. Okay, so let's see how much I have in childcare. 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. Okay, that's good because I need to plug that in tomorrow because they are looking for the money, honey. So we need to do that. Water is getting, what is water getting? 15. So water's going to be getting a tenner because I have no fibres. Yeah. That's going to be getting a tenner. Okay. Fuel is also getting a tenner. See, I knew these tenors would come down fierce quick. Right, is Very getting anything? Very is also getting a tenner. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Gas and Lecky is also getting a tenner. Argus is also getting a tenner. Wow, where did I think I was going with all these tenors? Music is getting 20 because I have no fibres unless I find some later. But at the minute, that's how that goes. Scouts is getting a tenner, which that has to be paid this evening. That's why I needed to do this cash stuff and fierce quick. And that is all from this one. Okay. And we are going to go into this one now, sinking funds. Let's see where we're at. Okay, challenge. Is this getting anything? 35 it says it's getting. Do I even have fibres in here? Let's see. Let us see. I don't think it is. I don't think I have any fibres in here. Hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. Ooh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. Oh, lovely. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we have, I have lost count and I can't remember, but we still have no fibres anyway. But I do have 2 tenors. Now, where did I put them? Oh, sure, look. Right, hold on, I'm not losing them. They're here somewhere. One back there. There we go, there we go. 2 of them, put 1 of them in. Right, so, well, I'm going to have to put 30 in, so that's that. I don't have any fibres. Do I have a £30 one though on this? Probably not. Probably not. Even 2 15s? There's 1 15. Do I have any more 15s? No. No. Okay, but you know what I might do? Let's do a bit of ingenuity here. So let's make this one a 30, and then we just put a fiver down here. Still adds up to the same amount. Okay. So we still have added to it, you know. I mean, it's better to add to it than take away from it. So let's just we got that one crossed off. So that one is a 30. Okay, so that's that challenge. Now we have holiday. Is holiday getting anything, or am I being very, very generous with that? Nope. House getting anything? House is getting a tenner. Okay. House is getting a tenner. Insurance is also getting a tenner. Very good, because that's needed. Oh, we've got 2 tenners there. I can take them out and put in this. Birthdays. What are you getting? It says you're getting a fiver, but actually you're going to be getting a tenner because I ain't got no fivers. So there is you. And we have a tenner left over. Ooh, wait. Where am I going to go with that? I think I might. Can I put it into the challenge? Can I put it into the challenge? So here's us doing our magic again. If we take this one here to be a tenner, and then bring this tenner down here. So then it still goes in. So we have 40 quid technically in here. Okay. So that's 40 quid gone into the challenge. Don't forget to update your piggy bank tracker if that is what you're using. So that everything keeps up to date. So that is that one. And don't forget to sign this off as being done, because you don't want to come back to it at a later date. We just want it to be done. That's that one done. Right, penny saving challenge. Let's see how we get on. What have we got? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 92, 93, 94, 94. Yes, we have. We got you. 94. Nice one. Right, is that all done? Guys, how are you getting on? I have a little bit of a purchase to make in the next couple of weeks. I am buying a car and I'm saving for it. Now, it's not like, don't get me wrong, it's nothing fancy. It's a basic, but it's going to get me from A to B and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. And that is why I'm saving my £1,000 so much. I think I will have to take it out of the house fund as well, just to, you know, to make it up. But either way, we're still getting there and it's still money that I don't have to take out a loan for, don't have to be paying ridiculous amounts of high interest rate. I have it. And I have saved for it, and I have worked bleeding hard for it. So it is something I am extremely proud of. Maybe one day I'll get a fancy car, but for now I'm getting a little run around and I'm very, very happy with it. So guys, thanks a million for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always, and I shall see you next week for Makeup Monday, Cash Stuff on Sunday, Welly Wednesday, or maybe even Vlog on Friday. Whichever way I see you next, I will appreciate it. And thank you very much. See you soon. Bye. Mwah.